Hey, look, straight up. I warned you if you guys didn't start subscribing, I was going to have to start doing makeup tutorials.
See, well, today what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our Wet and Wild cotton candy. Oh, I'm sorry, that's Color Loom. Yes, and today we're gonna get our CoverGirl, their instant cheekbones. And our CoverGirl, I don't really know what this is. I just pulled it out of the magical bag over here. And today we have the Voluminous Original. It makes you 5 times harder. Longer. What is this stuff? Anyways, what's this? What do we do with this? Do we put it on our cheeks? I don't really know. What do we do with this? Well, today,
That's not happening. Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Don't do this to me. Come on. What's going on, fam? In today's video, you're going to see how I actually take this can and turn it into this seat. Why? Because I absolutely can. That's why. Let's get to the video. I've got 2 motorcycle seats here. And, well, this one I can't use because it sets me back too far. If I put the backrest in, it does set me up, but it's not right the way it needs to be. This is the one that I bought later on. It's the Reach seat. It's okay, but on long rides, it definitely pushes your junk up in your throat. And anyway, I don't have to explain on that. I could take this to an upholstery shop. It could cost me around anywhere from 100 to 200 bucks. I could have it shipped out and they could do it that way. Who knows when I get it back if it'll even still be anything like what I want. I could go Amazon, I could go Mustang, and I could go any direction, but when I get it here, who knows if I'm gonna like it. Seats are too expensive to spend that kind of money on and not like. It's just the facts. So today I'm gonna do something off the wall. I'm gonna fill it with the great stuff, Gaps and Cracks, the Lowe's special. I'm gonna pull the staples out, pull the leather off, and we're gonna fill this up. We've started taking some of the staples out. Got a screwdriver and just a pair of needle nose pliers. You go in here. I don't know if you guys can see, but hopefully you can. You want to peel these staples out. Try to get in behind them, pry them out, and then that loosens the fabric off from the actual seat pan. Some of them stubborn, and it does take a little time. They're old and rusty. It looks like somebody's been in here before anyway, doing something. Now what you're gonna do is just peel it back off the foam. I don't know. I'm probably just gonna square it off and I'm gonna let it dry overnight, and then we'll come back tomorrow and kind of reshape. I think that's probably the best way. So let's shake this up a little bit. I don't know if you're actually supposed to. So anyway, let's see what happens. Oh God, everybody's saying, what is he doing? No. Oh yeah. This way and cut maybe. Oh, hey, what's going on, guys? Well, it's been a couple of days and I figured I'd come out here and kind of look over things. This is the mess that I have. Is it gonna work? I have no idea. But I'm thinking maybe if I shape it and form it and blend it, it may actually kind of turn out. I don't know how well I'm gonna be able to do that, but I guess we're gonna find out. It's a little off, looks a little crooked, but I think from the angles that I'm gonna have to go anyway, it should blend in okay. Listen. Listen. Shh. Sounds like Rice Krispies. Snap, crackle, prop. Rice Krispies. It's actually working. I took a cap and drilled holes in it so it's kind of, you could feel it on top. And I've been using it like a cheese grater. But I started out, as you guys seen, with the hacksaw blade. Just kind of marked around with a marker the way I kind of wanted it to be, and then took the majority off with the hacksaw blade, and then got a little more, well, that's not doing what I need to do, so I got these out. Yeah, you're supposed to use them with air, and I have the air to do it. I just didn't want to make the mess. I don't want to have to clean up the mess that these are going to make. But I'm holding these in my hand and using them just like regular sandpaper. This is a real rough one, and then this one here I have is a real fine. So I'm taking off a lot with this, and then taking off and shaping more with this. I've got a little working to do, but take a look, guys. I mean, it's not bad at all, considering it's my first time ever doing anything like that. And considering it's spray foam. It's not perfect, but I mean, it's got a contour and got a nice little edge to it. This actually might work out pretty decent. So let's put this cover on and see what we got. Obviously, I'm not going to leave it like this. I am still going to rework some of it, but I do want to see what it looks like with the cover on. The only issue that I am having is fitting the leather back around it. Obviously, this leather was made for the other seat. Now that I've added to this, it doesn't stretch across, and it's not doing what it needs. But I'm gonna put it on the bike and let you guys see it just the way it sits. Obviously, like I said, I can't get the leather stretched across because it looks like honestly, it looks like a trampoline. It just looks like it, but it's all because where I've built it out more. So hold on, guys, and I'll put it on and we'll show you what's going on. All right, we're locked into place on that tank. We're locked in back here. All right, now looking at that, if the leather was right, you wouldn't be able to tell the difference as far as that it's actually got foam in behind it. Now, you get on the bike, and guys, look at this. It's perfect. It fits me perfect. That's absolutely perfect. I can get this cover to stay and not look bad, not look wrinkled, I'll take it probably off and refit it back this way and this way. If I can get this cover to stay, I'm absolutely going to run this seat, and you will see it in the future if I can. What's going on, guys? Well, you've seen the 3-day process of spray foam and what it can do. I would have never thought that it could actually make a seat. I've seen many different uses for this stuff right here and would have never have guessed. This is no way, no how paid sponsor. You know, I'm not anything to do with these people. I would use anything that I had laying around the house that would make foam. But anyways, made the seat. You guys seen, it was the daddy long leg seat, you know, the seat that if you're a shorter person, it feels like you're riding back here as a passenger trying to reach the handlebars, and it just doesn't work. Nope. Tried it. Don't work. Unless you're one of those stunt guys, and then, well, it might work then, but I'm not. Anyways, decided to use this stuff, and you guys saw the whole process. You saw me spray it down one day, foamed up overnight, come back the next day, day number uno, filed it down, got it to where I wanted it. Shaped it, took it from the table, put it on the bike, felt around, brought it back to the table, sanded it more to where I wanted it. Got it exactly, you guys seen, perfect, exactly the way a person would want. The biggest problem was trying to get this leather back over it, because obviously I changed the contour, everything's different. So day C, I decided to go ahead and put some more heat to it and stretch it, and you know what? This is the outcome, this is day C. And I'm actually pretty proud of it. It's not perfect, but it looks good and it feels great to be spray foam. I would definitely do it if you don't have the extra money laying around and you think, hey, you know, why not? Or a spare seat like this one was. Try it. You'll be surprised, I promise you. Or even at that, you don't want to spend the money to have a seat brought in to figure out that it's not for you, that it's still, you've spent all this money and the seat doesn't fit you. This way you know this seat fits you. You can actually take this to an upholstery shop and have them to make you a seat exactly to what you want. I think it's pretty neat, and it works. So, and I'm not ashamed of it. Nobody's gonna know the difference except for you guys, the ones that's actually watching this video or maybe may see the bike someday. Anyways, guys, like, share, and subscribe. I hope you've enjoyed it. The next video, we should be on the road somewhere. We should be probably, I don't know, Alabama maybe? Maybe? I don't know. I guess you'll just have to wait and see. Maybe if you subscribe, that little bell will go ding, and you can know where I'm at. Anyways, guys, I hope you've enjoyed it. It's been a blast. It's been a lot of work, but it's definitely been a blast. Like I said, like, share, and subscribe like always, and you know the deal. Oh, wait a minute, almost forgot. Peace. I'm out.